So, I welcome you to the lecture series on Introduction to Cybersecurity. As you all are aware that I have completed all the modules, all the topics of your syllabus. So, today I have started some question answering session on Introduction to Cybersecurity, and this question will be important for your semester examination and also from various interview perspective. Okay, means these questions may be asked different interviews also. So by considering those perspective, I am trying to bring some selected important MCQ on cybersecurity. So let's start. One thing that after each question I will pause for 10 seconds, within which you may answer the question by choosing the correct option, and after the end of the session you will calculate your score, means correct answers, and then you will let me know by comment that what is the score you have obtained. So let's start. The first question is, which database is queried by WHO? Is option A ICANN, option B ARIN, option C APNIC, option D DNS. So your time started now. And the correct answer is option A. So WHO utilizes the Internet Corporation for Assigned Names and Number, that is ICANN. Okay. So coming to the next question. Next question is, having individuals provide personal information to obtain a free offer provided through the internet is considered what type of social engineering? Option A, web based, option B, human based, option C, user based, option D, computer based. So your time started now. And answer to this question is option D, that is computer based. Whether using email, a fake website, or pop up to entities, the used obtaining information from an individual over the internet is a computer based type of social engineering. So, this engineering is computer based social engineering. Okay, so I hope you have correctly answered this question. So, coming to the next question. Next question is, what is the base statement for taking advantages of a weakness in the security of an IT system? Option A, threat, option B, attack, option C, exploit, and option D, vulnerability. So choose the right option. Your time started now. And answer to this question is option C, and that is exploit. Okay, a weakness in security is obviously always exploited. Whenever some weakness is there in the security, that will be obviously going to be exploited by some what? Some exploiter. Okay, some means attacker. So a weakness in security is exploited, and an attack does the exploitation. Which I will do that actually. The attack will do the exploitation, and weakness is the vulnerability, and a threat is a potential vulnerability. See, all these terms, although seem to be very simple, but very, very pointed to the pointed and very important. Do remember again, I am repeating again, weakness is exploited and attack does the exploitation, and weakness is vulnerability and threat is a potential vulnerability. So answer to the question that the base statement for taking advantage of a weakness in the security of an IT system is what? Exploit. Now coming to the next question, which form of encryption does WPA use? Option A, shared key. Option B, leap. Option C, TKIP. Option D, AES. Time started now. And this is very easy question actually. I hope you all answered correctly. And the answer is option C, that is TKIP is used by WPA. Well, wait for a minute. I want to know what is the full form of WPA. If you know, then do comment it. Coming to the next question, what are hybrid attack? This is very important question. Option A, an attempt to crack password using words that can be found in dictionary. Option B, an attempt to crack passwords by replacing characters of a dictionary word with numbers and symbols. Option C, an attempt to crack passwords using a combination of characters, numbers, and symbols. And option D, an attempt to crack passwords by replacing characters with numbers and symbols. So, what will be the correct option? Your time started now. See, we are talking about hybrid attack, and you know, I already defined many times. Hybrid means integration of many other individual things. Okay, so obviously the answer will be here. What you have answered, what you have chosen as your correct option. Yes, option B. That is, hybrid attacks do crack passwords that are created with replaced characters of dictionary type words. I'm repeating again that hybrid attacks do crack the passwords that are created with replaced characters of dictionary type words. So you can take a screenshot. This is a very important question. Option B is the correct answer. So coming to the next question. Next question is keyloggers. Okay, this is a very famous term. I hope all of you already heard about this. Keyloggers are a form of fill in the blank. Option A spyware, option B soldier surfing, and option C Trojan, and option D social engineering. Choose the right option. And your time left is 5 seconds. The correct answer here is option A, because keyloggers are a form of hardware or software spyware installed between the keyboard and operating system. Okay. So, how many of you correctly answered this question? Okay, you can raise your hand. So, now coming to the next question. Next question is enumeration is a part of what phase of ethical hacking? Option A reconnaissance, and option B maintaining access, option C gaining access, and option D scanning. Time started now. And well, the correct answer will be option C, that is enumeration is a process of gaining access to the network by obtaining information on a user or system to be used during an attack. So gaining access. Enumeration is a part of gaining access during ethical hacking. Okay, enumeration is gaining access. Next question. What are the types of scanning? Option A, port network services. Well, recall my lecture on scanning, then you will correctly answer this question. Option B, network vulnerability of and port. And option C, passive, active, and interactive. Option D, server, client, and network. And the correct answer of this question is obviously B, that is port, network, and vulnerability. The three types of accepted scans are port, network, and vulnerability. That is option B. Well, now today's question is keyloggers are a form of option A spyware, option B soldier surfing, option C Trojan, option D social engineering. Well, answer this question through comment, and also you need to tell me what is the score you have obtained. Thank you. Bye bye.